So you just opened a SoFi account. Now what about transfers? Ever had that sinking feeling when you need money to move like lightning, but your bank transfer takes ages? We all have. That's why SoFi is different. But with all the bells and whistles SoFi offers, how long do their transfers actually take? Fear not, fellow finance warriors, because today we're cracking the code on SoFi transfer times. Hold your horses, it depends on where the money's going. Before we dive into specifics, let's acknowledge the transfer type plays a starring role. SoFi isn't a one-trick pony. They've got different transfers for different situations, and each has its own speed. Here's the breakdown. SoFi Money to SoFi Money, this is where things get exciting. Transfers between SoFi Money accounts are instant. Boom. Got that emergency payment covered before you can say overdraft fee. SoFi to external bank account, the classic move. Here, we enter the world of ACH transfers, the workhorses of the financial world. With SoFi, these transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days. So, if you initiate a transfer on Monday, expect the recipient to see the funds by Wednesday or Thursday. Peer-to-peer, P2P, transfers, need to send some cash to a friend for that last-minute pizza party? SoFi's got your back and your stomach. If your friend also has a SoFi Money account, the transfer is instant. But if they're using another bank, it goes back to the trusty ACH system, taking 1 to 3 business days. The nitty-gritty, why transfers take time. Those of you curious about the inner workings, listen up. For ACH transfers, information gets sent through a complex network called the Automated Clearing House, ACH. Think of it as the invisible highway for electronic transfers. It processes transactions in batches, which adds some time compared to an instant zap. Need for speed? Consider these alternatives. So, what if you absolutely need the money to teleport to your recipient's account? Fear not, impatient friends. Here are some options to consider. Wire transfers, if it's mission critical and you can stomach the fees, wire transfers are your best bet. They typically take just 1 business day. However, be aware that wire transfers often come with additional charges. Debit card transfers, if you've linked your SoFi account to a debit card, some banks allow you to initiate a push transfer from SoFi directly to your debit card. These can be faster than ACH transfers, but double check with your bank about processing times and any fees involved. Final thoughts, SoFi speeds up your finances. So, there you have it. SoFi offers a range of transfer options to fit your needs, from instant SoFi Money transfers to traditional ACH transfers. While ACH might not be the flash of the financial world, it's a reliable workhorse that gets the job done in a reasonable time frame. Of course, if you're in a real-time crunch, explore wire transfers or debit card transfers, keeping fees in mind. Ultimately, SoFi empowers you with various options, putting you in the driver's seat of your financial speed. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.